Today we're sharing our new twist on hummus with this vegan enthusiast hummus recipe that you'll definitely love. Just like all hummus recipes, the base for our recipe is chickpeas. To make our chickpeas extra soft, we're going to add them to a pan of boiling water and boil them for about 5 minutes. Once they're boiled, add them to a large bowl and add 1 tablespoon of vegan enthusiast. Let that sit for a minute just so it warms up, and then add 2 tablespoons of tahini and give that all a really good mix. The benefits of boiling your chickpeas first means that they're extra soft, so you get a nice smooth and creamy hummus. Once that's all mixed through, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of paprika. Again, give that all a really good mix to make sure all of those chickpeas are coated in the mixture. Once you're happy that you've mixed everything in well, then you're going to transfer that mixture into a blender. To this, we're going to add half a cup of water and the juice of 1 lemon. Blend that until it's nice and smooth. If you want it smoother, you can add a little bit extra water just to get it to the right consistency. And there you have it, the best vegan enthusiast hummus.